Welcome to MinuteAdmin, everyone, the #1 Salesforce podcast in the world with your hosts, Kaelan Moss and Therion Thacker here. And today we're going to talk about just walking through the system in Marketing Cloud, give you an overview of the system, give you a tour of the system. And don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and anything related to Marketing Cloud that you want additional resources on, it's going to be linked below in the description. So check out the description if you want more resources for Marketing Cloud. With that being said, Triple T, you ready to get into a tour?
Let's get it. Let's get it, because this is the most amazing marketing tool on the market right now. Let's
yes,
just call
it
it what
is.
it is. Absolutely.
Yes, it is.
Absolutely.
Okay, so to start off with Marketing Cloud, to give you a tour, we're just going to talk about the dashboard. We're going to talk about what do you see when you log into Marketing Cloud. And stop me, Triple T, if there's anything that you want to say here.
Yeah, definitely. Before we even kick it off, so when we look at this top toolbar, let's just look at this as our toolbox, or as if you're a chef, as your set of knives to dissect your meal, whatever it might be. These are our tools to make an impact for our customers and touch with them on 360 degrees, every point that we can touch with them. So as we scroll across each one of these, this is just a tool of how we can do a better job as a marketer and improve what we're returning to our company to get leads, customers, and feedback.
Yep. Exactly. And like you said, Therion, this covers the whole gambit of the 360-degree circle. So you have emails you can send to your customers. You have mobile messages. You have basically text messages right here.
Yep.
You have mobile app messages. So think like Instagram notifications, Facebook notifications. You have Group Connect, which is another version of basically text messaging. Mm-hmm. You have Social Studio, where you can I always think of like Twitter, right? Like you can have a Twitter account, you can have a Facebook account, you can have an Instagram account, all linked right here in Social Studio. Marketing Cloud advertising, you can advertise on Instagram, you can advertise on things like Facebook, right?
Right.
Those different places. You can run your ads there. You have Web Studio, where you can create whole web pages, where you can create a whole landing page, a whole website page.
Forms, surveys. Yep.
Marketing Cloud personalization, where you can go in and you can create basically, I always show people something like this. Like Marketing Cloud personalization is pretty much this. So let's say you go and you look up, let's say this pair of shoes right here, the Nike Vapor Max Plus, and let's say you
look at those.
Dude, these are fun.
Wow, that's a bright shoe.
That is a bright shoe.
I don't think I could get away with that in Maine. I'm not even gonna fib. I don't think I can get away with that in Maine.
Hey man, what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need to
where's the plain color?
Fishing in those. The fish will think you're one of them. Just dip your toe in the water. Those
Look at those bad boys. That's great. But yeah, as you were saying, like you click on one of these, and then what do you see in your mailbox? 3 to 4 hours later.
Exactly. You'll see something like this. And also, let's say you choose. This one goes up to a size 9. So let's just say you choose size 9, and you've been looking at these Vapor Max Pluses. Man. Well, if you scroll down, you'll see Marketing Cloud personalization at work. You'll see
right there
outfits that complete the look. So notice how you'll see whole outfits that go with these pairs of shoes. Mm-hmm. So this is all personalized to the shoe. And the other cool thing is you also get other recommendations based on this shoe as well. So not only do you get the shoe, the outfit, but you also get other shoes that might also be of interest to you.
Yep.
So
maybe not so flashy. Maybe you don't need the aqua shoes.
Right. Maybe you just need the all black.
Just the all blacks.
And then you scroll down here and you have more Marketing Cloud personalization.
Right there.
Things that complete the look.
And every one of those is a clickable.
And every one of these also is clickable, and it's also an item in a database somewhere.
You're absolutely right.
All of this stuff, this is just a picture inside of a content management system that represents an item in an Excel spreadsheet. That's it.
Yep, that's it. I mean, even the color, the design, every part of it. It was just pulled in off of a sheet.
Yep. The color, the name of it. This is the name of the item. This is the type of item that it is. This is the price of the item. This is the original price. This is the discounted. This is the percentage off. This is the message to send. This is the color of it. These are all the sizes available for that specific shirt.
Yep.
So, right, like style, the style is just this code right here.
Right there. I mean, that's literally the data out of the sheet right there.
Data out of the sheet.
Yeah.
Right there. Product details about it.
Yep.
Right there. This is all stored in a database somewhere. All that information.
So, I mean, honestly, we could break it down, and I'm not sure how they broke it down, but we could have a product detail sheet, and each one of these is linked by that product code from one data extension to the next, drawing in all these bits of information for us.
All of it. All of it.
it.
And everything right here that's grayed out is just basically saying, hey, we have the data in the database, but right now, when we connect to another database, it says it's sold out in these sizes, basically. So all of this is just data inside of a database. Now, if you come back over here to Marketing Cloud, that's Marketing Cloud personalization. That's all it is.
Yep.
And then if you go to Analytics Builder, this is where you run your reports. So you can run your Marketing Cloud Intelligence reports. You can run your standard reports. You have Journey Builder. You can run Automation Studio. You can trigger things based on people's behaviors.
Yep.
You can open up Journey Builder.
Which is one of the most important objects in our Marketing Cloud instance is the Journey Builder object. It is such a powerful tool. Such a powerful tool. Yep.
So powerful. And go ahead. Did you have anything else?
Yeah, actually, let me follow up on that because I was thinking about it as I was saying it. You know, journeys are just like our marketing assets, right? We collect these things, we build folders based off of them. They're just another asset that we've created for ourselves to use in the ecosystem.
Yep. Another asset. And like Therion said, everyone, like Journey Builder is the ultimate place things are going to go to.
Yep.
Two things I wanted to mention here, or one thing I wanted to mention was basically a lot of people get confused on when to use Journey Builder versus when to use Automation Studio. And the answer to that one is Journey Builder is going to be used for, like, whenever a customer gets into Journey Builder, it's one at a time. Like it's a personalized experience that is sent whenever a customer enters into a journey. So let's say they enter into a journey where you're trying to follow up with them after they've signed up to your newsletter list. You might send them a series of 10 different messages. As soon as they enter that journey, they're going to be sent that message. Then they're going to wait, see if they engage. Then you're going to send them another message. Automation Studio, you can send messages. The thing about Automation Studio is it's this bulk platform that's meant to send thousands of messages all at one time.
Right.
You can send emails. You can send text messages from Automation Studio. Don't think you can't do that. However, the functionality and the reasoning behind why you'd use Automation Studio versus Journey Builder would be because you might have a list of, let's say, 50,000 people that you want to bulk send to all at once, and you want to use Automation Studio to do that. So that's the difference between sending an email from Automation Studio versus Journey Builder.
Right.
Journey Builder is going to be more of that one-on-one personalized experience, which you can still create personalized messages with Automation Studio, but it's going to be more the processing power. We'll say that.
Yeah.
Processing power of Automation Studio is much more powerful than Journey Builder.
Oh, for sure.
And then you have Content Builder. You can improve content. You can improve messages. You also have Content Builder right here where you can go in and create emails, create text messages. You have Audience Builder,
Yep.
where you can go into Contact Builder, which is your one-stop shop for all of your contact information, whether it's email subscribers, mobile message subscribers, where it's the people who've opted into your text messages, people who have your mobile app. So say you are Nike, you have your app, and someone's downloaded your app. That person is also someone who has an app, who has your app. So that person could be subscribed to your email. That person could be subscribed to receive text messages from you.
Yep.
And that person could also have your app. So, and that person could also be somebody who you're advertising to on Instagram.
Yep.
Right?
So building off of contacts is just bringing in our audience, right? We're building an audience there. Yep.
Exactly. So that's Contact Builder. Then we have Einstein, of course. Everybody's heard of Einstein.
Yep.
Einstein is the artificial intelligence inside of Marketing Cloud that allows you to pretty much really work with AI to create better experiences.
And soon to be Einstein ChatGPT, basically. Yeah. Yep. Let's just call it what it is. Let's just call it what it is.
That's a good point. And that's something we'll talk about pretty soon, because
for sure.
We are going to, like we were saying last night, we're going to have more of a cadence for these sessions that we're running, right? Today, Mondays, we're going to give you the features of Marketing Cloud, the tours of Marketing Cloud, overview of Marketing Cloud 101 inside the system. And as the days go on, we're going to talk about some of the innovative stuff that's happening in Marketing Cloud, in the ecosystem. And we're definitely going to cover that Einstein ChatGPT for sure. We have App Exchange, which is, this is the app store for Salesforce.
Yep.
And then we have Package Manager, which lets us see which packages we've downloaded. So if we scroll through the dashboard here, we'll see our journey templates. So we have templates for running these Journey Builder journeys. And what these templates are basically starting points for us to create that customer experience, where we don't have to start from scratch. Think about if you're making a website, not everybody really wants to create a website from scratch. Nobody has time to do that, right?
Right.
So it's like, how can we get a website up and running like day one, just from a template, and we can always iterate from there. Same thing with the journey. Let's say, for example, we have an abandoned cart journey. This is a more advanced journey right here. Let's say we click on that. What happens is it takes us into Journey Builder. It opens up the template right here, and it allows us to just get started right here. So it gives us an overview, a description of why would we use an abandoned cart journey? Why would we ever use that? It gives us a description of when to use it, what it's used for, what you're actually going to need for this abandoned cart journey. So you'll need access to people's purchase behavior. So was someone about to check out, but they got distracted by maybe someone knocking on the door?
Yep.
They went and solved an issue. Maybe the kids were screaming in the bedroom, yelling at each other, whatever. You had to go and de-escalate your kid's fight or whatever it was, and you come back and you realize.
And what I want to say is the fact that a lot of other tools, they don't give you a hand-holding session like this.
No.
Salesforce and Marketing Cloud put this together for us here just to say, hey, we're not going to leave you with a blank journey for you to figure out. We're going to at least show you some guidelines, how you can use some of these tools just in scenarios. But a lot of tools just don't even give you that option, right? They just don't give you the option to even see what you can do.
Yeah. And even if they do give you the template, there's a lot of email marketing tools out there in the ecosystem. Right. You have MailChimp, you have ConvertKit, you have the other apps and things like other tools, HubSpot, of course, Marketo.
Yep.
And I'm sure they come with templates. One thing I want to mention here is that what Therion said before was the templates and the tools that you get inside of Marketing Cloud are so advanced. Like That's the thing I don't think people realize is how advanced Salesforce is as an ecosystem and what they have the capability of doing. So journeys, like when you start playing around with this stuff, you'll start to see that this is literally the most advanced stuff you can do in the marketing space.
Right.
And what is it? Marketing automation space. That's what it's technically. It's what Martech, marketing technology, marketing automation. Like Therion said, a lot of things don't come as handheld as you get with Marketing Cloud.
Right.
So what you can do is you can start with this template. Let's say you want to get started. You also get what triggers the entry, right? So APIs, API events. So if someone, let's say an API event is tied to your website shopping cart, and someone decides, hey, you know what? I'm not ready to purchase. Let's say I was just about to check out on these shoes. Mm-hmm. I added it to the bag. Let's say I go and I add it to the bag here. I go to check out these shoes right here. And I'm about to go and I'm about to check out. Let's say I'm already logged in, right? This is why they ask you to put in your first name, last name, email. They're tracking all this stuff, by the way.
Every part of it.
So as soon as you put that information in, they know what your email address is. It's not like you actually even have to press anything and save anything. They already are seeing all this, like Google Analytics tracking and everything.
And I kid you not, they're tracking you before you even give them the email. Let's say you don't clear your browser history and you go back to Nike, 2 or 3 times a week to look at stuff. They're tracking you just from that IP. They're like, oh, it's just a matter of time before we get the email, right?
It's just a matter of time.
Yeah, and then you give them the email, and they're like, we've already collected all of this data from you clicking in this website because you didn't clear your browser history, you didn't wipe the information you've done on the website, all of your clicks, and all of it. Yep, and there now you have a profile.
Yep, and like you said, you have the IP address, so therefore, or you have the cookies on the computer.
Right.
So when, let's say you go to Facebook, you'll get an ad, or let's say you go to
absolutely.
So this is where, let's say, for example, I'm about to come here, I'm about to check out, and I say, you know what, I'm not ready yet, and I exit out. Well, what's going to happen? The API event's going to pull your data over into Journey Builder. Wait an hour. Maybe you wait. Maybe you don't want to wait an hour. Maybe you say, you know what, I'm going to give them a day. Right? You want to wait 1 day. Wait a day. Wait till, tomorrow. Don't want to maybe bombard them too fast. You send them a cart reminder. Hey, just remember, you still have these. What shoes are they? You still have these Nike Air Vapor Max Plus women's shoe, and shows a picture of the shoe. Dynamically updates that based on, what you were looking at.
And they really give you a way to be extremely aggressive because their minutes are a selection in that drop down. Like, I mean, you can literally crank that bad boy out in 1 minute.
You could.
That's a very aggressive campaign right there.
Very aggressive. Just because you can do it
doesn't mean you should.
So, hey, Timmy, what's up, man? Thanks for joining us. Today's session is actually, we're giving a tour of Marketing Cloud. We're giving we're giving the features of Marketing Cloud, the tour of Marketing Cloud. So if there's anything you want to see specifically, Timmy, let us know in the chat and we will walk through that. And we'll explain it. So, hey, how's it going, Adora?
Hey, Adora.
Hey, and so basically, we're just going through Journey Builder right now.
Yeah.
And also want to say thank you, Adora, for the shout out on LinkedIn. By the way, we saw that. I'm going to send a response today, give you some, love on that and repost that because I appreciate that.
And I'm happy the little man's feeling better.
Yes.
Yes. I'm happy the little
man's
feeling better.
We are happy. We want nothing but health, wealth, and success for everybody
when
here.
The littles don't feel good, it's a rough household.
Yes. And so thank you for joining us. And thank you for joining us so early, both of you.
Yep.
So we're just going through Journey Builder, just talking about, some of the templates here. So here's all the templates right here in Journey Builder that come pre-configured, already set up from Salesforce, from Marketing Cloud. You don't have to build these. These just come automatic.
Yep.
So,
and these are really good to build off of, right? I mean, you can alter any of these to fit what you're after for the most mainline journeys.
Like, let's say, for example, speaking of that, let's say you want to run a birthday journey with a coupon. Let's say you want to bring someone in and be like, hey, happy birthday. We want to give you a coupon code to bring you into the store. Yep. We're going to give you 30% off to come in and get some new Nikes. What you could do is, like you said, you can come in here. You can actually add in whatever you want to add. So if you want to add in something to someone's inbox, let's say to someone's app inbox, let's say you want to send them that coupon code directly in the Nike app, you can do that. So you can just drag that in here. You can pull it anywhere you want to pull it, and you can include that. So you can, like you said, you can customize, you can save it, and then based on whatever you save, you can actually create a template based on what you've made too. So if you have a template, let's say you go to My Templates, you can actually create your own templates here. So let's say you have something related to your specific use case. You can create templates, and you can actually share that template with other business units and with other Marketing Cloud accounts. So you don't have to recreate all these journeys inside of Journey Builder.
Right.
So that is going to be like the template for Journey Builder. And you know what? Actually, we're going to just keep going. If you do want us to talk in more depth about Journey Builder, definitely let us know. We're going to keep going here. But that's a good overview of, I think, Journey Builder.
For sure. And I want everybody to know the creative possibilities in here are limitless, just absolutely limitless. I've seen journeys that span an entire screen, a page, you know what I mean? And I've also seen journeys that are so effective, they're so well built, they don't need all of that space. So it just depends on what you're trying to deliver, but the creativity is endless within Journey Builder.
Exactly.
Yep.
And also remember, everyone, just as a reminder, if you want more Marketing Cloud resources, the links are going to be in the description below after the video. So make sure to save this video and make sure to share it as well. So just as a reminder, all the links and everything that we're talking about for more learning is going to be below in the description. So as we continue going down, those are the journey templates. Now you can scroll through these and see all the different templates. Down here, you'll see a calendar. So we're marketers, right? So we want a calendar of when we're going to run campaigns, when we're going to be sending emails out, when we're going to be sending text messages out, when we're going to be running journeys, automations, right? So we have a calendar down here, and we can expand this calendar. We can see when we're going to be running specific campaigns. So let's just take a look at this. So you can use the calendar to look at information on your past sends, your future sends. You can also add events, review campaigns. So let's just say, Memorial Day. Is that the next holiday coming up? Memorial Day?
I think so. Yeah. Labor Day is at the end of summer, right? Memorial Day is when the pool's open. Okay.
Memorial Day is like May 29th or something. Yeah. So let's just say you're running I just think of car dealerships. They always are running some sort of Memorial Day weekend special, or like a July 4th special or summer special, right?
This is when all the pool commercials come out, where everybody's kicking it at the pool. It's spring. Let's go. Yep.
And I want everyone to notice one thing this summer. Notice how many alcohol commercials
they pop in the summer. Yeah.
Ciroc. You have Ciroc, you have Smirnoff, you have all the.
You've got Rocks Tequila, Terramana, yep. And you talk about REST and SOAP API integrations in the next session.
Yeah, we can do our research and talk more about that for sure.
Absolutely, because those are two important areas for sure.
Yes.
We have web services is the SOAP section, and then our REST is a direct call, right? If I remember correctly.
Yeah. So we'll talk more about that, and we'll get into just more information that everybody is looking to find out more about.
Absolutely.
So, so this is the calendar. You can check out information on the calendar based on the events you're running. You can set up campaigns. So let's say you have, emails that you're wanting to send out. Let's say you have automated emails that you have sending out. You can have automated messages. You can have mobile connect messages that you want to send. So all this stuff can be on the calendar here. So
and remember, anybody that's working beside you gets to see the same calendar in your org. So it's a great way to show everybody, hey, this is what's going on. This is when this is kicking off. Yeah, go ahead and hit Timmy's comment.
Yeah. API source will be interesting to explore apart from the data extension. Follow-up question. The inbound source could mean from like WhatsApp. So yeah, inbound
at this
source.
Point, yes.
Yep. You can gather lead information from WhatsApp.
From WhatsApp.
It's insane how you can you can literally any place someone can contact you or integrate with you.
Yeah.
And have a conversation. You can take that information and pull that in.
And Timmy, it's not just WhatsApp. There's another tool out there called Line that is exactly the same, where it's just pulling information in straight from the app. Yep.
Yeah, exactly. So we have this. So we're on campaigns here. And last thing we wanted to talk about before we end this stream here today is just the last part of the dashboard going down here towards the bottom. Now, this is something that I think a lot of people overlook. But I think it's one of the most important things. I think this is towards the bottom here is the places you can go for additional learning. So on the very left side, you'll see the Trailblazer community. You can search the community. You can browse official help documentation. So you can go to the help website. You can go to the community and ask questions. You can, I'm just going to click these. So when I click that, it takes you to the help doc area here. You also have where you can ask a question, and it takes you to the Trailblazer community right here. So it's just really cool how it'll just take you directly to the areas that allow you to find more information.
For sure.
And then you have just hold on one second. I just closed out of that dashboard.
No, you're good. You're good. Hey, Kaelan, I hate to interrupt. Timmy, thank you. Edora, I appreciate you. I love that you guys are here all the time. We will hit the rest and soap APIs. I've got a hard stop.
Yes.
I'm gonna drop now. Kaelan, I'm gonna let you wrap it up.
Let's wrap it up now.
Okay, let's wrap it up.
So if you have any questions, leave questions in the comments below, and make sure to hit that like, hit that subscribe. Always. And join us for tomorrow. We're going to be talking about SOAP and REST APIs inside of Marketing Cloud.
Yep.
That's all we've got, everyone.
Sounds good. Happy Monday, everybody. Happy Monday. MinuteAdmin out.
Happy Monday. Thank you for joining, everyone.
Yes, sir. Thanks, Kaelan.
See ya.
Later.